Being a man isn't just about strength. It's about taking care of yourself from the inside out. My Vital Man Expert Shampoo isn't just about clean hair. It's about setting a new standard for your daily routine. This isn't your average shampoo. My Vital Man Expert is loaded with premium, natural ingredients that work together to give you the best hair of your life. Think thicker, healthier, more vibrant hair with every wash. Forget the days of harsh chemicals and ineffective formulas. Our shampoo is designed for the modern man who demands results. Say goodbye to scalp irritation and hello to a refreshing, confident start to your day. Real men know that self-care is strength. Whether you're prepping for a big meeting, a workout, or a night out, my Vital Man Expert Shampoo gives you the confidence to look and feel your best every single day. I didn't realize how much a good shampoo could change the way I feel, says Alex, a loyal customer. Now it's a must-have in my daily routine. Ready to redefine what it means to take care of yourself? Start with your hair. Visit our website and explore the full range of My Vital Man products today. Because a better you starts with better hair. Imagine waking up every morning feeling confident, strong, and ready to take on the world. But what if your hair could boost that confidence even more? With My Vital Man Expert Shampoo, it's not just about clean hair. It's about feeling unstoppable. Our shampoo is designed specifically for men who want more than just a wash. Packed with powerful, natural ingredients, it nourishes your hair from root to tip, giving you a thicker, fuller look that you can feel every time you run your hands through it. Say goodbye to dandruff, dryness, and thinning hair. My Vital Man Expert Shampoo works hard, so you don't have to. It's more than just a shampoo. It's the start of your daily routine for looking and feeling